redo my Tato origami tutorial today because I'm listening to you guys, and the hardest part about this one is the last step when you assemble or when you fold it all together. So I'm going to take it step by step, and I'm going to show you slowly how to fold it at the end to make this as easy as possible for you. If you're new to my channel, I would love for you to send me some love, give me a thumbs up, and we're ready to go. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna put these little cute samples to the side, and we're gonna use a light colored paper to make it easy for you guys to follow along. Okay, so this is just a 6 by 6 inch origami paper, standard size. We're gonna start out with folding from one corner to another. So line up the corner at the tip right there, and then what you want to do is you want to trace your finger going down the center and out, always from the center and out. Okay, so that's our first fold. We're going to do the same thing from the other corner to the other corner. Okay, so we have our 2 diagonal lines right here. That is perfect. Now we're gonna do from the other 2 corners to the other 2 corners. So basically we're gonna do fold it in half to a rectangular size. We're gonna open it up, and we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Okay, you're gonna end up with 2 lines this way, 2 lines this way. Okay, that was the easiest part. So turn the paper like this towards you, you know, kind of like with the corner pointing towards you. And I'm gonna see the line here. I'm gonna fold it in. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the other side. You see that? So I'm just gonna take this corner, match it up over here. I'm gonna do the same thing with the other side. Okay, so that is what you're gonna end up. Okay, just review this step real quick. Okay, sounds good. So with this opening open, what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold all 4 sides towards the middle. Okay, so this is the open part. So take this. I always take my finger here, line up the corner so it's nice and perfectly aligned. That's one side, and you're gonna do the other side. So I got both. Then you're gonna turn it around. You're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now your work should look like this. Okay, so in my old video I open up everything over here. I'm gonna add another step to make it a little bit easy on the next step for you. So you see this little flap, so I'm gonna make sure it's aligned over here, and you're gonna fold it right down here. Make it easy because you already have it down here, so this part's gonna be easy to fold this way. It's just an additional step that's gonna make your life a little bit easier. Okay, open it back up. Now you're gonna unfold this and unfold this. You're gonna line this up towards the center again. Right here at the corner, and aligned here in the center. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Aligned here, and aligned in the center. Okay, perfect. So you're gonna open it all up now. Let's take a look what we have here. So these are all the lines that you should have right now. So here are the corners that we just did. We're gonna turn it on the inside now. This is what your work should look like right now. Okay, so let's review the different lines. We have this line going across. We have this line going across. And we got another line here and another line here. So if you're counting it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 folds you did, okay? So the next step here, make sure your work looks like this right now, okay? 2 corners on the top, 2 corners on the bottom. So I'm gonna take this bottom here and I'm gonna line it to the center, but we're gonna make a crease only up to where these 2 lines are. Okay, so this is the triangle here. Oh, I don't do a very good job tracing. Okay, so we're gonna align in the center, and you're just gonna do a crease from the first 2 lines that I was just drawing, you see? So this is the line. Just goes from over here to over here, right here. Okay, so line it in the center in the middle, and then you just give it a nice little crease just like that. And you're gonna do that on all 4 corners. A line in the middle, go to the center and out with your finger just like that. You can see here the crease. Same thing over here. Okay, see, now we have this line right here. Just did these 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to do the same thing on the corner side. So turn your paper so that you have corners in top, bottom, left and right. And just like the previous step, you align it right here in the center, and you just make a crease to the first kind of fold. Okay, see, this is the line that I just did, just like that. So you fold it, and you see you creases to the first fold, just like that. Okay, and then you're going to do that on all 4 corners. This line. This is what your work should look like. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 sides. What's that shape called? Is that a pentagon? I don't remember. Comment below if you know what the shape is called. Okay, so that's all the folding you're gonna do. The next step is you're gonna assemble it. And the easiest way to do so is we're gonna push the paper, you know, where all these lines are. Okay, so push it in, hold it down, and you're gonna do the next one. See how I just push these two in, and just use your finger to hold it, and then you're gonna do the same thing with the next one. And I find it easier actually to do this for all sides. Okay, so we just push this in, here, and here. So here's our next line right here. Here's our next line. Push it in. And here is our next one. Push it in. The last one is always the hardest one, but here's the last one. So just push it in. Okay. Just like that. And then you can put each of these corners down one at a time. And that was it, guys. Okay, not as hard as it looks once you have a little practice. Okay, the key is to fold it all towards each of these lines from the whatever shape it's called, pentagon, I think. So just push it in. I'll do it one more time. Folding each of the sides. Edges down. You can go this direction or this direction, whatever you want. And that is your traditional Tato origami art. I hope you found this helpful. If you did like me using my pen to show you all the different lines, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below. But thanks so much for tuning in today. I will see you guys next time. Love you guys.